Imagine this: every time you sneeze, a star twinkles in a faraway galaxy. Welcome to harmonic reality, where every action, big or small, contributes to the cosmic symphony. Picture this: you decide to pick up a piece of litter on your morning walk. Instead of just cleaning the park, you've subtly altered the universe's rhythm, plucking a new string in the grand melody of existence. This isn't chaos theory, it's what we call synchroharmonism. In this whimsical philosophy, life is a dance where every step, every glance, and every laugh creates ripples, harmonizing with the universe's beat. Your daily choices strum the strings of reality, turning mundane tasks into magical notes. So, next time you find a penny on the street or give a stranger a smile, remember, you're not just living life, you're composing a cosmic tune. Keep dancing, and let the universe sing along.